Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna change oil and oil filter on a Toyota Corolla. So let's fucking go. The oil filter is down here behind the exhaust manifold. I took it out a bit, you know, with this thing. This in a wrench. So it's loose now. Can you screw it? It's loose, but we're gonna start under. We're gonna take out the start by taking out the oil first. Hey ho, let's go. I already unscrewed the bolt. It's 15 millimeters. Oh, then better drip. It started dripping already. Wait, I'm gonna change gloves. Important moment, guys. We're gonna change the gloves. Wait, security. Guys, important step. Wear plastic gloves and wait. We're gonna take it out now. Let's go. This is not gonna feel good, man. It's not gonna feel good. I'm gonna get it in my face, bro. That's what she said. Yeah, look at that. I did it, guys. We done did it. We done did it. We done did it, boys.
We done.
The gasket is on this, it's on the bolt. I'm just gonna reuse it because it looks nice, but I'm gonna clean it off a bit though. Yeah, we're gonna let it drain the little oil. It's very nice. So I'm gonna retighten the bolt now. It's 15 millimeters, really easy. You can access this from under the car. You don't even need to like pull up the car or have any jack stands or anything. You just go beneath the car. Oh, fuck. Wait. Gotta make sure the shit is in the right way. Put it in the right way. Okay, this shit is... Wait. Like this. Now. From the head. Wait, actually, I'm gonna take my other two.
Oh shit.
We're just gonna re-check it. Där har ens 50 jobb. Just gonna check so it's tight and good. Yep. Can clean it off a bit. Oh fuck. I don't have any brake cleaner, so I'm just gonna clean it to make sure that it doesn't leak afterwards when I fill it up. Yeah, it's tight and good. It's tight and good.
It's good.
We're all good, homie. Remember to check so the gasket is still on the oil filter so it's not stuck on the car, because then you have to remove it before installing the new filter. You see? Very nice. Actually, not so very nice. So guys, make sure that you oil in the gasket before installing it so it doesn't get stuck like an old lady getting shot by an AK-47. Yep. Taking the oil, I'm smearing it up on the new gasket. Yep. Just gonna install this bad boy. It's a bit... Wait, let's see here. Oh. Now we're getting it. We're getting it. Yep. I'm gonna change glove because this is really oily, but you should tighten it with your hand until you can't tighten it no more. Don't over tighten it though. Yep, it's better, it's better. Yep. Yep, it's good, it's good. So guys, we're gonna refill the engine with oil now. The good old oil. Here is the oil hole. Engine oil. Toyota Corolla, yes. Yeah, let's start adding a bit. And then after a while we will check how much we have with a stick. And we're adding the good old 5W30. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We can also check. I think this car needs about like 3.3 liters or something 3/4. I don't know. So yeah. Oh shit, fat. We can clean it after. So guys, check the oil stick in the end. So you guys know it's full. I'm gonna check now. I think it's about full. Yep, it's all good. It's all good as you see here, low and full.
Let me see again.
Low, full.
Alright.
So that's how you change oil filter and oil in a Toyota Corolla 1994.
1996, man.
1996, but we're also gonna change the air filter soon.
Yes.
So stay tuned. So guys, we're gonna take out the air filter. It's held by 2 clips, one here, and then you take out this from the holder, and then you just slide it down and up, and then you go up a bit. And then we can see the beautiful, good old Toyota. Here we have it, boys. My vacuum cleaner.
Jesus, man. Disgusting.
It's not so bad. Just a bit. Alright, we're gonna put it back. We just bend this shit up a bit, but be careful so nothing breaks. Then we slide this Gucci motherfucker in like this. Then you press around, make sure it's tight and good. You know? Is this the guy? Let's see. Yep. Let's put it back. Let's see. Gonna slide it down. Wait. Let's go.
2,000 years later.
Got some difficulties here, but it's fixed. As you can see, it's in. Now we got the quality air in the car.
Yeah, boy. We're gonna change the tires now. But like, I don't know, like this filter was really cheap. This one is like the original Toyota, so this part is like hard, it doesn't get out, but that one is cheap, so it gets out like this all the time. So it was a bit of struggle with that, but it works now. So yeah. Let's continue with the tires.
Right.
So we're done with the Corolla. We did the service, the oil filter, air filter, and we changed the tires also. So this bad boy is ready for the summer. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and write a good comment. And I see you next time.